features Miss Coleen Garcia and Mr. Robi Domingo. People here, Mr. Robi Domingo and Miss Coleen Garcia. Thank you for being here, embracing this momentous event, of course.
So much for inviting us. Yeah.
Right. Now, I have a few questions for you, though. Now, what is your favorite feature of the Oppo F3 Red Edition? What about you, Coleen?
For me, it's really the design. I love the color. It's color red. Actually, I'm a really big fan also of the black phone. Yeah, but so I didn't think that they could top that, but then now there's this red phone and it's really nice as well. And of course, the camera. The camera is really very nice.
Yes, I would say so. And sabi nga nila, it's fiercer, it's sexier than this one. What about your Robi?
It has all the features of the other phone. Gusto namin lahat. It lives up its name na selfie expert. When you take a picture of yourself, dito nagiging Brad Pitt ako eh. Sobra.
Bumaba ako ng buhok.
If you really want to look good and feel good about your pictures, in the age of social media, pictures are important, especially when posted on social media talaga.
Absolutely.
This would be the perfect tool for your photos.
Right, and like you two stand out in the world of show business, of course. What do you think this Oppo F3 stand out for? Ano ba yung standout feature niya for you? Yung pinaka na ito talaga.
Ako talaga, it's really the fact that the design is so striking. Yeah, and apart from that, it's very functional. I mean, everything that you need in a smartphone is already here. All that and more. Kasi syempre updated talaga yung technology ng Oppo. So, everything is right in the palm of your hands.
Yeah, what about
All the features that you want in a phone, it's right here in the palm of our hands. And what's the best thing about this phone is it's really affordable. Lahat ba makakuha ng phone ito? And we got lots of high-tech phones na sobrang mahal. Pero with Oppo, everything is within reach.
And of course, red signifies the intensity and warm passion. What do you feel about naman Oppo F3 Red? Ano yung mga tipong emotion na you can attach it to, you can associate it to?
Well, I feel like there's a certain fieriness to it. Talagang strong, very powerful yung color.
Ako, lalayo pa tayo. When you see red, you see love, di ba?
Yeah.
With Oppo F3 Red, I think I'm in love again.
Right, definitely. Now, a lot of people would like to get the Oppo F3 Red Edition because it would fit their lifestyle. Now, what do you think, or why do you think it fits your personality and your lifestyle as well?
Oh.